Far too many people are stuck with cheap, mushy membrane keyboards that slow them down, hurt their wrists, and ruin their gaming performance without even realizing what they're missing. The right mechanical keyboard can completely transform your typing speed, gaming accuracy, and overall computing experience. Today, we're breaking down the 5 absolute best mechanical keyboards you can buy right now, from budget-friendly workhorses to premium dream machines. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a programmer, or just someone who spends hours typing every day, one of these keyboards will change how you interact with your computer forever. Make sure to check the links below for the latest prices and exclusive discounts. These prices change all the time, and our links will always show you the best available deal. Let's get started. Number 5, Gauzen Tri-Mode Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, best budget pick. Coming in at number 5 is the incredible value-packed Gauzen Tri-Mode Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, currently priced at just $42.99. Don't let that affordable price tag fool you. This keyboard punches way above its weight class with features you typically only find in models costing twice as much. The Gauzen offers 3 different connection options: Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless freedom, 2.4 GHz wireless via included dongle for lag-free gaming, and USB-C wired mode when you need absolute reliability. You can connect up to 5 different devices simultaneously and switch between them instantly with simple FN key combinations, making this perfect for anyone who works across multiple computers or wants to quickly switch between gaming on their PC and typing on their tablet. What really makes the Gauzen special are its factory-lubricated red creamy switches. These linear switches provide buttery, smooth keystrokes with near-silent operation. Just 45 grams of operating force means you can type or game for hours without fatigue. The compact 96% layout gives you all the functionality of a full-size keyboard, including number pad and arrow keys, but in a form factor that saves 20% of your precious desk space. And with its massive 4,000 milliamp hour battery delivering up to 200 hours of use between charges, even with the RGB lighting on, you'll rarely need to plug it in. For under $50, the Gauzen delivers performance and features that rival keyboards costing twice as much. Number 4, Mage G Ski 8175% wireless gasket keyboard, best for customization. Our number 4 pick, the Mage G Ski Y81, is currently on sale for just $49.79, down from its normal $59.99 price, and it represents the absolute best value in customizable mechanical keyboards right now. This 75% layout keyboard features an advanced gasket-mounted design that serious keyboard enthusiasts will appreciate. Instead of being rigidly screwed into place, the internal plate floats between layers of sound-dampening material to create a uniquely soft, comfortable typing feel that reduces fatigue during long sessions. Mage G didn't stop there. They packed in 5 different layers of sound absorption material, including XP foam, pour-on foam, and silicone pads to eliminate that hollow, pingy sound that plagues cheaper mechanical keyboards. The result is a deep, satisfying Bach sound with every keystroke that makes typing feel incredibly premium. The included Blue Whale switches come pre-lubricated from the factory for ultra-smooth operation and are rated for an incredible 70 million keystrokes. That's decades of normal use. With 18 different RGB lighting modes, N-key rollover for perfect gaming performance, and full Mac Windows compatibility, the Sky 81 delivers customization options usually only found in keyboards costing $150 or more. And at its current sale price of under $50, it's an absolute steal. Number 3, Adesso EasyTouch 1000 Best Compact for Gamers. Breaking into our top 3 at number 3 is the Adesso EasyTouch 1000, priced at $89.99. And this keyboard brings something truly unique to the table that no other keyboard on our list offers: built-in AI integration. That's right, the EasyTouch 1000 features a dedicated Copilot AI hotkey that gives you instant access to an advanced AI assistant right at your fingertips. With a single press, you can get coding help, creative writing suggestions, or language translation, a game changer for programmers, writers, and students alike. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The EasyTouch 1000 uses a premium gasket-mounted design with cotton-filled interior dampening that creates an incredibly quiet typing experience while maintaining that satisfying mechanical feel. The included red mechanical switches provide perfect tactile feedback with each press and are rated for 50 million keystrokes. That's over a decade of heavy daily use. The 3,000 milliamp hour battery provides weeks of use between charges, and the USB-C charging means you'll never be stuck searching for some proprietary cable. What really sets this keyboard apart is the open source VIA software support. This lets you completely remap every single key to whatever function you want and customize the RGB backlighting with adjustable brightness for low light environments to your exact preferences. For under $90, you're getting professional-grade customization features typically found in keyboards costing twice as much. Number 2, Adesso EasyTouch 1200, Best Full-Size Premium. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Adesso EasyTouch 1200, priced at $107.99, and this takes everything great about the EasyTouch 1000 and expands it into a full-size 100-key powerhouse. Like its smaller sibling, it features that incredible Copilot AI hotkey, gasket-mounted design for superior sound and feel, and full VIA software customization, but now in a full-size format with number pad and additional media controls. The upgraded 4,000 milliamp hour battery provides even longer life between charges, and the premium brushed aluminum frame gives it a professional look that would be at home in any office or streaming setup. The 5-layer sound absorption system, including EVA foam and silicone pads, makes this one of the quietest mechanical keyboards you can buy, perfect for office environments or late-night gaming sessions when you don't want to disturb others. The keycaps are made from durable PBT plastic that won't shine or wear out like cheaper ABS keycaps, and the stabilizers under the larger keys have been specially tuned to eliminate any rattle or wobble. For typists, programmers, or anyone who needs to input numbers frequently, having that full number pad can be a game changer in productivity. This is the keyboard to choose if you want all the advanced features of our other picks, but need that traditional full-size layout. Number 1, NuFi Kick 75, Best Overall Keyboard. And now, our number 1 pick, the NuFi Kick 75, priced at $119.95, represents the absolute pinnacle of what a mechanical keyboard can be in 2024. This low-profile masterpiece combines cutting-edge engineering with sublime typing feel to create what we consider the best overall keyboard money can buy right now. The Kick 75's gasket-mounted design is complemented by multiple layers of sound-absorbing foam that create a typing experience unlike any other. Each keystroke feels soft yet responsive, with a satisfying depth that makes long typing sessions effortless. The self-developed NuFi.io WebDriver unlocks incredible customization potential. You can remap every key, program macros, adjust the multifunctional knob, which controls volume by default but can be reprogrammed, and customize the RGB backlighting with 18 different effects. Available with your choice of brown, red, or silver nano switches, the Kick 75 accommodates every typing preference. The low-profile PBT keycaps provide excellent durability while maintaining a slim form factor, and the 75% layout keeps all the essential keys while saving considerable desk space. There you have it. The 5 best mechanical keyboards available right now at various price points. The premium NuFi Kick 75. One of these keyboards will absolutely transform your typing and gaming experience. Remember, prices on Amazon fluctuate daily, sometimes by tens of dollars, so make sure to use our links below to get the best current price on whichever keyboard caught your eye. If this review helped you find your perfect keyboard, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech recommendations. Have you tried any of these keyboards? Let us know your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy typing.